So here's an exponential equation. It's an economic example, a word problem. So we're going to read it and answer the question. So you invested $5,000 into an account 5 years ago, and today it's worth $5,500. So the money earned, they give you this equation, where T is the time in years. Pay close attention to the variables and what they mean. A is the amount of the account. How much will it be worth in 20 years? So we have a couple of variables here. We have K and T. So I'm going to use this initial condition. They told us that 5 years ago, you had 5,000 and today it's worth 5,500. So that means the account today is 5,500. And 5,000 is your initial investment, and it took 5 years for that to happen. So we can use that. We can use that to determine what K is here. So we just have to solve for K. So we're going to divide by 5,000. So 5,500 divided by 5,000. These are really good calculator questions. That's 1.1. And then we have to get rid of the E. So you natural log both sides. So the natural log of E to the 5K is 5K. And then natural log of 1.1 we could do on the calculator. Divide by 5 to solve for K. Oops. So on the calculator, K will be natural log of 1.1 divided by 5. So K is 0.0190. So that basically means like a 1.9% interest rate. So now we're going to answer the question. So since we found K, that's a constant. Our new equation I'm going to write down here is, for this investment, is exactly this. So instead of K, I'm writing what I solved for it to be. So now it's asking, how much money will the account be worth in 20 years? So that would be T equals 20. And we're assuming that's 20 years after you first invested it. So now that we've solved for K, using that first bit of information, we can now substitute 20 in for T, because T is the number of years, and then just simply type that on the calculator exactly how it's written. So 5,000 E, so second ln, to the 0.0190 times 20. And that will give us the answer. It should be worth $7,311. $7,311. And don't forget about the cents. Those are important. And 42 cents. And this one, they should have another zero in here. I mistyped that, but that's it. So it's pretty simple. Solve for K, given the initial information. So determine what K is, and then just plug in the number of years. That's that.